bloating, gas, body ache, joint pain, heaviness in your head, heaviness at your neck, laziness, inability to perform daily household chores, inability to sleep properly, and so many other problems. If you are also facing these problems, it simply means you need to detox. There is a beautiful shlok that tells us Sarva Rog Malashrayah, which means all the diseases that we have, the root of all those diseases is mal, which means waste of your body. So we need to remove that waste, which means we need to detox. How shall we detox? Simplest ways to detox, we are going to talk about it. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Hari Om, I'm Acharya Pratishtha. I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English. So we are talking about detox. Now, there are several ways to detox. In yogic tradition also, there is Shank Prakshala and there is Kunjal Kriya. But I would suggest Guru Padishta Margena Yogamem Samabhya say that these practices shall be done in the guidance of a Guru only. So whenever you plan to visit our Bharat Yoga retreat, at Mukteshwar or at other places, then we can plan to do these detoxes. But today, I'm sharing 3 simple ways to detox, and you have to choose one out of these 3. How you're going to choose it? First is on the basis of your food preferences. Second is on the basis of your body type. And third is on the basis of the diseases you have. So I'm going to share all the details in this video. So stay tuned till end. First and the toughest way to detox is juice detox. Now, when I say juice detox, it simply means now the duration of this detox, all 3 are going to be 3 days. And when can we repeat it? After every 6 months. So within one batch of 6 months, you do it once, and then after 6 months, you can repeat it. In the juice detox, we have to take juice for breakfast, juice for lunch, juice for dinner. Juice for breakfast can be a fruit juice. Juice for lunch can be a fruit juice. Juice for dinner shall be a vegetable juice. Now, I have seen so many people recommending mix vegetable with fruit and apple with carrot and then celery with pomegranate. No, please don't do that. We should never mix fruit and vegetable juice together. That's the first rule. In Ayurveda, a very important preference is being given to the combination of foods. Now, there is a reason that dal chawal has to be eaten together. Now, if you will say dal chawal is the same thing and khichdi is the same thing, no. Khichdi has a different value, dal chawal has a different value. So, the combination plays a very important role. Maybe a banana, because banana is rich in calcium, rich in potassium. You eat banana, you won't gain weight. Drink milk, you won't gain weight. But when milk and banana taken together is a remedy to get rid of underweight. People who are underweight, they should take it. So similarly, there are so many wrong food combinations that we take, and one of such wrong food combination is mixing your fruit and your vegetable together to make a juice. So do not fall into this trap. Now, who are those people who should not take this detox? Anyone who is having chronic disease, serious heart conditions, of course diabetes, then anyone who has a lot of acid formation in their body, who are vata pravritti people, they should avoid it at the first time. So they should do the third detox first, which I'm going to share, then second, and then shift to this first one, because you have so much of toxins in your body that we need to remove them step by step. But then who are good, who don't suffer with these problems that I shared with you, who are already used to a fasting, they can start with this detox. Who are regular yoga practitioners, they can start. Who are alpahari, who eat less, they can start with this. This is first detox. A little easier than this first one is second detox, which for 3 days eat only fruits and you can have ample amount of water. This is detox 2. This is going to cleanse your entire system. Who cannot do this detox? Of course, diabetic patients, severe heart conditions, and those people who who feel too acidic. too much acidic that they can't even eat only fruits for 3 days. They should also avoid it. They should opt for the third option. Rest, everyone can do it. And if you want clear skin, you want your hair fall to stop, you want, your digestive issues to go away, you want your joint pain to go away, then this is a wonderful detox for you. Now, the third detox, which everybody can do, I'm going to tell now. Everybody can do, whether you are a patient of anything, it is going to help you. Whether you have acidity, bloating, gas, it is going to help you. Whether you are not used to of fasting, you can also do it. Everybody can do it. That's why I always say this is the best detox, because everybody can do it. This is 3 days of having khichdi. So 3 days you're going to eat moong dal khichdi. Now, moong dal khichdi, there are two types of moong dal. One is chilka moong dal, one is without chilka moong dal, which we call dhuli moong dal. We will be sharing the names, English names here in the text form. For those who don't understand what is moong dal, what is chilka moong dal, and what is dhuli moong dal. So how do we do this 3 day of khichdi detox? You have to eat khichdi in the breakfast, khichdi in the lunch, khichdi in the dinner. First day you can like once you can have chilka moong dal khichdi, once you can have dhuli moong dal khichdi. I would prefer if you can have chilka moong dal khichdi for all 3 days, but then sometimes people feel it is so monotonous to have one thing for 3 days continuously for 9 meals. Then you can just for the sake of your taste, you can sometimes take chilka, you can sometimes take non-chilka. You can also add methi ki khichdi with it, fenugreek seeds khichdi with it. It's just methi and rice that we eat. It is a wonderful way. Methi khichdi is a wonderful thing for diabetic patients, for cleansing of your blood, for the entire detox. So I've given you three options: moong dal chilka khichdi, dhuli moong dal khichdi, methi khichdi. But there is a popular saying that says khichdi tere char yaar, dahi papad ghee achar. So no papad, no achar. What you have, so here dahi has only khichdi has only two friends. One is ghee and one is dahi. So when you prepare your khichdi, have khichdi in breakfast, have khichdi in lunch, have khichdi in dinner. And how you are going to have khichdi? Prepare khichdi without oil, and then you put 1 spoon warm cow ghee in khichdi, and add a little bit of curd with it and eat it for your breakfast and lunch. When you eat it for the dinner, you do not have to eat curd. You should not eat curd in the night. So then how do we eat it? We eat it only with ghee. So detox khichdi has only two yaar, dahi and ghee. No papad and achar. Okay. So this you can do for 3 days. And as I said, everybody can do it. Drink ample amount of water, as much as you want during these 3 days. But then other than this khichdi with dahi and ghee, other than these three ingredients, you're not going to eat or drink anything. No chai, no coffee, no milk, nothing. And trust me, it's not tough at all. I do it very often. And it is a wonderful, when I say very often, means when I'm traveling, when I'm working too much, then I come home and I do this detox. Why? Because the body toxins needs to be removed. And every 6 months you can repeat it. And as I said, everybody can do it. So I would suggest you start with this third detox first. Do it for 2-3 times for every 6 months you do it. Then when your system is clean, then you opt for the second one that I told you. And third one is the toughest one. The first one that I told you, which I am saying third one now, that's the toughest one. So this is about detox. You start with it and let me know how it went. No cheating, no eating anything other than khichdi for 3 days. And trust me, your entire system will be changed. You will find it so amazing, so good. You'll find it so light. You will feel so energetic after having it, and your skin will glow, and your hair will be amazing. Your hair fall will stop. Your gut health will be amazing. So that's all for today. If you have any other question, any other query, do not hesitate to send us your questions and your queries, and I'll definitely come up with a solution to that. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om.